A special needs trust is a trust for a special needs child. Prior to 1993, which is a while ago, parents were not able to leave assets to their children who were disabled without their children losing those government benefits. Since 1993, it's been public policy in the state of New York for parents to be allowed to set up trusts for their special needs children to pay over and above what the state would pay. These trusts are required to be set up by a parent or a grandparent or a legal guardian, and they name a trustee, and they pay over and above, as I said, whatever the government will pay via Medicaid and Social Security. There are many things the government doesn't pay, for example, vacations, hobbies, elective medical treatments. That's the benefit of having a special needs trust. If it's set up by a parent or grandparent and the special needs child dies and there's still assets left in the trust, it goes to other family members. If it's set up by the special needs child with their own money, there is a payback provision. They have to pay back the government for any Social Security or Medicaid benefits they received if there's any money left in the special needs trust on their death. There are two kinds of special needs trusts. There's first party and third party. Third party trusts are set up by a third party, parents, grandparents, legal guardian, and those trusts provide for the disabled child for their lifetime, and if there's any assets left over, those assets can go to other family members. First party trusts are set up with a special needs child to own assets, which they may have received from a personal injury award or perhaps an inheritance. Because that's their own money, there are a different set of rules. The government says you can set up that trust and pay over and above what the child needed for their care, but on their death, there's a payback provision. What does the payback provision mean? It means that whatever wasn't spent on their care, if there's anything left, it has to be used to pay back the government benefits. Why is that? Because it's their own money. The government says, well, they can keep their own money for whatever they need above what the government will pay, but on their death, they didn't need that money anymore, so they should reimburse. So the difference between a third-party trust and a first-party trust is there's a payback provision. It's the disabled child's own money, no payback provision if a parent or grandparent have set it up. To get a special needs trust for your son or daughter, you have to see an estate planning lawyer or an elder law attorney who generally deal with special needs trusts. At Ettinger Law Firm, we offer a free consultation so you can feel comfortable coming in and talking about your needs, find out what your options are, and then you can go home and make a decision on your own as to what's best for you and your family.